In a landmark moment for the residents of 3 remote villages under the Fodet Karamchara constituency, the long-standing demand for road connectivity is finally being realized. Local MLA Paul Dangsu conducted a physical inspection of the ongoing road construction sites at Kartik Para, Damador Para and Lakshman Para on Wednesday. For over 10 years, the villagers of these 3 areas have lived in virtual isolation due to the lack of proper road infrastructure. Despite multiple changes in government over the last decade, their pleas remain unheard. Following the 2023 elections, the Brahmota MLA Paul Dangsu took up the project as a priority. After persistent follow-up with the relevant departments, the necessary approvals and funding were secured to begin the work. During his visit to the construction sites, the MLA interacted with the engineers and laborers to ensure the quality and durability of the roads.
Government officials by jara department officials tongmai by porok by lama visit khaimani tabuk ni o thai hingkai Lakshman Para ni hinjabo obo 100 bosor ni saibana sakang para khajakmani oro ko lama kacha lama tongmani tai obo tini ni je visit naina phaimani loge tongo chili engineer sahib hingkai tai kamini chinni pura obo 100 bosor ni sakang bo kasam para hingkai o jaga o brick soiling engkha obo ke part 2 obo estimate 2.2 kilometer length hingkai obongkha chini last visit tinini aboni sakang visit khaika engko Surendra Riang para botola vc abo hingkai engko special assistance lama manmani pwd department by execute khajakmani aboni pore thangka Damodar Riang para abo bo pwd ni black top road abo 3-4 kilometers jotono samung kahamke da khaijak nainan bagai officials robai thangmani tinikai oro ga para Lakshman kai obobo agini simi kaisa demand tongmani beba tabuk fulfilling tha ambai kamini borok bo jotono excited.
Reported by Kiran from Longtra Valley, Chini Khora.